Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the swing micro account that Topstep offers. So this is actually day 2 on the account, and I'm completely done with it. So we're going to go ahead and take a step back, go back to the dashboard. This was yesterday, so March 5th. Today is March 6th. Past step 1 in the first day, there's no minimum day requirements on the micro account. So we made that $1,059. Starting balance was 10 grand. So we made that yesterday on 100% trades. Here's the breakdown. Total realized P&L for March 5th, $1,059. Average winning trade was $105. Winning trade percentage, 100%. And the average duration was 1 hour and 20 minutes. So basically I held this all day long. It was a short position because the markets were going crazy. So that is yesterday, and then today we started step 2. So today started step 2, and yeah, so this is market open at 8:30. I went short at 9:30 and basically went short up into the 70s with the anticipation of flipping above 80 or getting out of my position depending on what the market looked like. So basically ended up with an average position size of about 291.61. It was right at this level, right around here. Top drawdown was about $300, and we ended up making $1,000 on this trade, as you can see here, $1,001.50, which means we passed step 2, which means that we have a funded account coming our way Monday. So Monday will be the funded account or pro account, depending on what we decide to do. But yeah, very successful day, as you can see here. Basically did pretty well, about averaging into the top. Was up about $800 off the 5 micros that you're allotted at this point, which is the point of control for the day. It ended up bouncing off that, went right back up to my entry, and I was pretty certain that we'd go test right where we're testing right now, 2,900 on the day. So I held it strong, and we actually went down, and we're actually testing it right now. So that would be up about another $500 if I would have held, which would be about $1,500 on the day, but I didn't need that for this step. I just needed 1,000. So yeah, it was nice and patient through this whole drop, as well as the retest here, and then nice and patient all the way down to the exit. So that's just a brief, quick recap on the day to show kind of what I've been up to these past 2 days. I am going to go and give you a couple thoughts on micros and why I've been enjoying them so much. So micros, each micro contract is about 1/10 of an actual E-mini contract. So for like the E-mini S&P, which is what we've been trading, each dollar move is $50, which means on the micro, each move is only $5. Topstep allots you 5, which means the most you can get every 10 points is $250 instead of $500. But what that does, it allows you to scale into positions better, cover wider ranges. So as you can see here, like this is almost this 20-point scale in. I would not be able to do that on a normal E-mini account that Topstep offers. You also are, if you get a great position, you're able to hold this overnight if you want. So into the close, you can actually hold your positions. But my big thing is just being able to have the extra wiggle room allows you to really play the larger moves, right? So I'm willing to take $300 in drawdown in order to make this $1,000. That's a great play for me, and that only can be done on the micros, especially on days like today where we're getting pretty choppy and volatile. You want to be able to have that wiggle room. So that's my short little plug for using micros. It's also 1/10 of the dollar amount that you need to get started. So that's another great reason to be trading micros. It's much more accessible to your average person. The margin required is 1/10, and it allows you to just play better positions because you can scale in easier into a trade if that's your style, and you can kind of hold through a little longer upturns without having to freak out and check the price every other second, which again is great. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Check out the links down below to Topstep and Earn to Trade, both platforms that I use. Go and join the Discord down below, subscribe and like, all that good stuff. I will see you in the next video. Peace.